Y'all, we celebrating Philadelphia this week, so it brings us to another dish debate. Which is the best Rocky film?
The second one when he first won the title. When he said, Adrian!
Which one was it where he ran up the steps? That's the part.
That's Rocky 1.
That's Rocky
Okay, that's
one.
the one I like.
Rocky
That's
4,
it.
because Apollo died, then the Russian came in. Rocky 4 probably got to be the baddest one, man.
I'm gonna have to rock with Rocky 3 because the level of disrespect that Mr. T, aka Clubber Lang, showed to not only Rocky, but to Rocky's wife, and no one's really talking about it, but Clubber Lang killed Mickey. He killed Mickey before, because he pushed Mickey and Mickey had a heart attack. There was no trial. No one ever brought him in for questioning. Clubber Lang killed Mickey and beat up Rocky in the same night.
Well, how many Rockies were there?
There was 6.
6 of them.
6?
Yeah.
How many have you seen?
None. So I need the fans to tell me which one is the best Rocky film at #DishNation.
Like what you saw? Was you feeling the vibe? Click on that box on the low and subscribe.